In today's video, we're going to break down the key differences between QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online so you can figure out which one is the best fit for your business. Let's start with QuickBooks Desktop. This version is installed directly on your computer and your data is stored locally. That means you're responsible for updates, backups, and software maintenance. The desktop version is highly customizable, offers detailed reporting, and comes in different editions like Pro, Premier, and Enterprise. It's perfect for businesses that need extensive features, fast processing, and offline access. You can create invoices, track sales, reconcile accounts, and even handle payroll, all with powerful tools designed for in-depth control. On the other hand, QuickBooks Online is cloud-based. You can access it from any device with an internet connection, and your data is automatically updated and backed up securely. It's designed for accessibility, ease of use, and collaboration, letting multiple users work at the same time. While it may not have every feature of the desktop version, it integrates easily with third-party apps like Shopify, WooCommerce, or eBay, making it ideal for online business management. QuickBooks Online also offers different pricing tiers depending on the features you need and the number of users. So, how do you choose? If you want offline control, advanced customization, and robust reporting, desktop might be your pick. If you prefer flexibility, cloud access, and automatic updates, online could be the better choice. Your decision ultimately depends on your business needs, your workflow, and your budget. And that's a wrap. Understanding these differences will help you pick the QuickBooks version that works best for you. And that's how you compare QuickBooks Desktop and Online. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.